To begin round 11, we chain 1, skip the stitch in front of the chain 1, this one, double crochet on the next stitch, and the next stitch, and mark the next stitch, front post double crochet on the front post double crochet, which is the left side of the Y stitch, double crochet on each of the next stitches until the next front post double crochet right here. There should be a total of 8, so that is starting on the marker stitch, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Mark the next front post double crochet, and front post double crochet on the first mark stitch, double crochet on the first mark stitch under the front post double crochet, double crochet on the next stitch, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, mark the next stitch, go back and do the left front post double crochet, doing a front post double crochet, and repeat. So we will repeat double crochet on each of the next 8 stitches up until here. So keep repeating until the end of the round. And there should be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 between the diamond design, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 stitches within the diamond design. I'll meet you toward the end of the round to show you how this round ends. Toward the end of the round, after making the last right front post double crochet, this one, then double crochet on the stitch underneath the right front post double crochet, then double crochet on the next mark stitch, double crochet on the next stitch, and double crochet on the next stitch, double crochet on the skip stitch, and that should be the last stitch of the round. Let's count to make sure we have 7 of this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that's correct. Then we end the round the same way as always on this project anyway. And that's the end of round 11. So I'll see you on next round, on round 12.